welcome back to another day. We're getting dressed. We're going to be going, I got to run to Lowe's. I'm going to take those lights back that I bought. I don't like them. I'm going to try to find me the clear lights. I need bird seed because I didn't have none to feed my baby birds today. And we're going to be meeting Tyler and Donna looking at an area where they're wanting to build when their house sells. But let me show y'all what I am into right now. Well, there's the ray of sunshine. Oh, look at you. You walk in a room and it lights up. Y'all know I love Perry Mason. I've told y'all that. But I've started Raymond Burr's other series that he was in called Errands. I'm loving it. I love it so much. What's he doing, Bob? What's he doing? We just left from looking at the model home. I don't know why I didn't get any video in there. We were so busy looking at the model home they were wanting. And then we went and looked at one being built so James could look at the inner workings of it. Tyler wanted him to look at it and see what he thought, if they were doing a good job. Because he didn't know anything about that, which, I mean, that's smart. I never thought to do that before, but my feet, we had to walk through mud. Thank goodness I wore these boots. These my water boots, my duck boots. They a mess. A mess. Bless her. Now we're gonna head to Lowe's, and then I gotta run to Walmart and the grocery to get a couple things. I've got to sit down and make a stinking grocery order. I've not had time. I don't have time. And I just want to go home and pile up in some pajamas and just pile up, but I don't think y'all want to watch me snoozing. So I am going to go home and work on that frame, work on my lamps that I need to make, and I got to cook. So I went to Lowe's because I've got this little tree here. I'll show you how I have it. I bought this milk can last week off of Facebook Marketplace, and I had this tree, so I shoved it down. Anyway, I want to put some lights on it, and I can run it and plug it into this cord here. And I think 50 will do it, but I did get 2 50 packs from Lowe's. I bought a gold. I didn't like the gold, but I'm gonna keep them and I'm gonna use them for the fall. I had an idea where I'm gonna use them, so I'm gonna put them up. But I'm gonna put these 50 lights on this little tree. And I already have a tree over here to this side by the door. And then my wreath it's on a timer. So we're gonna dress up the back porch a little bit. And then we've got some lights we're gonna come put out here on the arbor because our ceiling fan light no longer works. Aggravating, but it done. So anyway, let me get these lights put on this tree and get it all on, and I'll show you what it looks like, how the back porch looks. I don't do a lot back here, but I mean, you can just add lights and it just dresses it up, right? Always trying to figure out the extension cords. That's the problem. I'll have to figure something else out because it's not going to work the way I had it planned. Let me go get a longer extension cord. Okay. We have our tree. And it's all lit up. And then we have our lantern, our watering can, our old dipper. This is one of the chairs from the front porch. We got our shoes off because they got mud on them. And then I just put this chair over here at the table. This is my old barrel. James thinks he can fix it for me. I hope he can. If not, I'll have to go. And then I just have this with this little rug. It's thrifted. This little tree is all lit up. And then my wreath. And then here's my little table from the front porch that I've got my daylilies sitting on. But we're going to put some lights up here. But I really love the way this looks. I want to get a Christmas tablecloth to drape over this chair to look like a throw. I think that will look good. But I really love this little corner, and you can see it out the window. So I really like that. All right, now I'm going to go get the lights that we're going to put up here and see if I can get James out here to help me real quick. Because I want to make my lamps too. One thing about it, when he does something, he does it right. And that's why it might take him forever to do it. But it's done right. So when he gets all this done, I'll show you what it looks like at night. It's just going to allow him to be able to see the grill at night. He's going to love that. And he's going to grill his burgers. Yay! I just had an idea. Maybe we can talk James into having a nighttime back porch chat now that we have all of our lights up. Yes. Why not, James? It'll be so romantical. You don't like that idea? We're fixing to have some grilled homemade burgers. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. It's been a while since we had one of your burgers, babe.
We're a little overdue.
Huh?
We're a little overdue.
Yeah, we are. Now it's my turn to do my job. The most important, right? Why is this my job, James?
Because you're a firebug.
That's what you want to see. Get all this lit. Yeah, buddy. Love it. I love it. Now my breathe batteries are dying, so they're not as bright. But that's okay. James on the grill. I love those lights. And then my little trees. Love that too. How you liking the lights, James? I love it. I really, really love them. Where do we get them? Do you remember?
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight? We've had them. How long have we had them since we built this thing? Or before?
No, we haven't built it.
Burgers are looking good. Chow time. Homemade burger. Garlic parmesan pretzel twist. Yum. Good burger, babe. Good job. So, one last thing I want to get done today. I'm going to take my teapots to the garage and get them wired up because one of them I'm taking to the booth Tuesday. So, let me get all my stuff and take it out to the garage and work on my teapot lamps. Okay. Oh, this chair's low. Okay. So, James went ahead and drilled and got them all ready for me. I will have to tighten them up. And then I bought some pieces that if this is too high, here's my cords. Wait a minute, where's the rest of my stuff? Hold on, I gotta get the rest of my stuff. Okay, so the other part, I got these little pieces like can go on here if I need them. We'll see. And I got the ones with the pull chain to turn them off and on. I liked those and I thought those would be handy. Let's see. So let me work on this one since I know for sure that I have the shade for it and it'll be going into the booth Tuesday. So that might be too long. I wonder if I can shorten that up. Okay, see how I have this space right here? That's where this is going to come in. These. I love making these lamps, but I got to tell you, there is no one set pattern like that works for every single lamp that we could like say, okay, it's got to be cut to this, it'll fit into here, you know what I'm saying? Each lamp has to be customized, and it's based on like the shade, what parts I'm using, like if I've had to buy parts or if I'm using thrifted parts from old lamps. All of that plays a part in it, and it is trial and error. And as you will be able to see in just a little bit, we had to cut the center rod off a little bit because it's too long, but it's better to be too long than too short in this situation. So thankfully, James was able to cut them off for me. You'll see me ask him and all of that in just a little bit. Spoiler alert, he is able to do it, but I love making these lamps. I really, really do. Now, he has to help me with them because he's stronger than me, but I love it. So cute. I love it. So that one's ready to go. Let me clarify that he has to help me because he's stronger than me part. When we have to drill the hole in the top and the bottom, I've tried to do it, but I am just not strong enough. He has to really apply the pressure. So that's what I mean. So these are very easy and doable. I will link the video down below showing how we made one. And we've only improved since making our first one. It's gotten easier. We kind of know what to do. But they're very doable. So you can easily make one a lot less than you can buy one. Do you think you could cut this off on the teapot so I wouldn't have to take it apart? What? Do you think you could cut this on the teapot so I wouldn't have to take it apart, or do I need to mark it?
It's too long?
Right here. Just look, when it's sitting down, it's way too long. Wait, this one's too long too, but you think there's a way we could do it?
You want to pull the wire out?
There ain't no wire in this one. So if I pull the wire out of that one, we can cut that one off too. Okay. Oh, I did have to get James out here as much as I didn't want to, but these are just a little bit too long, so he just cut them off for me. And now, perfect. Now it's perfect. Yep. Oh. The shade.
Mama, you okay? You okay, Mama?
Yeah, Bob, I'm okay.
Mama. Mama.
Y'all like that on that one better? Yes. Look at that, James. What do you think?
You happy? I'm happy.
Oh, I love that. Okay, that shade may have to go on that one. I may have to find a different one for this. Look, James.
Boom!
Oh, I love it. I love it. Yeah. I think I'm gonna leave this shade for this one. Then I'll have to find a shade for this one. It's so pretty. I love that shade. Thrifted, thrifted, thrifted. All right, y'all, that is gonna do it for me. I know this video has just not been the most exciting, but that's just kind of how it is. And when you're doing Vlogmas every day and you're filming every single day versus just bits and pieces of a day, putting it in a video, this is what you get. And it's been one of those days, and this weather today, for whatever reason, has just made me so, like, I've just wanted to do nothing. But I did get this done. I'm loving it. I love the shade. And I'll have to find a shade for the other little teapot because I love this one with this. And so this one will be going to my booth Tuesday. But thank y'all for coming back for another day of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.